you're watching this video, you probably just bought yourself a brand new LG OLED TV. So you're ready to raise your game with a top-of-the-line LG OLED. Welcome to the club. But you're wondering, C10, G10, what's the difference? First things first, the C10 and G10 are both OLED TVs, which means they're powered by over 8.3 million self-lit pixels. Each one can literally make its own light and can turn on and off. So you get that intense color, amazing detail, and perfect black. And we mean perfect. Our C-Series OLED has been consistently hailed as the best TV in the market by industry experts, and our 2020 C10 is here to continue that tradition. Inside, there's our third-generation Alpha 9 processor, our best one yet. It uses artificial intelligence and deep learning to control all aspects of picture quality, so you'll get our ultimate 4K image. The Alpha 9's deep learning capability can even take non-4K content and upscale it to provide a near 4K experience. And with the latest HDMI, variable refresh rate, auto low latency mode, and eARC, you'll find the minimized input lag, increased responsiveness, and higher frame rates you need to enjoy fast-paced sports and gaming. On top of all that, we partnered with Dolby to bring the cinema experience home. There's Dolby Vision IQ, which adjusts your display based on content, and ambient lighting for the best Dolby Vision HDR experience. There's also Dolby Atmos, which puts you in the middle of it all with sound that just kind of flows all around you, just like the theater. And if you're a film buff like me, you'll love this. We worked with the UHDA and Hollywood directors and cinematographers to create Filmmaker Mode, which optimizes all of your picture settings, so you can see movies the way they were meant to be seen. We've got you covered on binging too. WebOS makes things simple and easy. You get the apps you love, like Disney+, Apple TV, and Netflix. And you also get over 180 free streaming LG channels, plus Google Assistant and Alexa, which come built in, so you can search and control using just your voice with the Magic Remote. You can find what you want, get recommendations. You can even preview the shows that catch your eye. It really couldn't be easier. And gaming? OLED was made for it. The C10 comes with the newest tech, like NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync, so you get less lag, higher refresh rates, more responsive gameplay, and yeah, more wins. The C10 will be a beautiful addition to your home. It's thin and modern. But if you really want to make jaws drop, the G10 is your answer. It takes everything that the C10 has and packages it into a uniformly thin design, which can be flush mounted against the wall. There's no gap, no shadow, nothing's in your way. There are 3 different sizes, including an ultra-large 77-inch. A total masterpiece, the G10 was engineered to put the spotlight on everything you watch and designed to enhance any kind of space. Both the G10 and C10 can be transformed into literal works of art thanks to Gallery Mode, which really comes to life through the G10's design. Hold on, let's enjoy this. Can't find the remote? The G10 lets you say, "Hi LG," to activate hands-free voice control. You can use your voice to search for content, control your TV, even control your smart fridge or other compatible devices. It's all here. And not only does the G10 look like it's straight out of the future, it's future-proof with the next standard in television built in. It's called Next Gen TV. It's the latest upgrade in broadcast television and will add features like 4K video, advanced audio options, and more. So there you go, 2 great options. Can't go wrong with either one. Whichever you choose, we can pretty much guarantee you'll enjoy the good life.
Because no two living rooms are the same, TCL offers easy options to choose picture modes that optimize picture performance under any viewing conditions. For the brightest rooms, select Normal for standard content, HDR Bright for HDR content, or Dolby Bright for Dolby Vision content. For moderately bright rooms, select the Movie Picture mode for standard content, HDR Normal for HDR content, and Dolby Bright for Dolby Vision content. For the darkest home theaters, the best option is the Movie Picture mode for standard video, HDR Dark for HDR video, and Dolby Vision Dark for Dolby Vision content.